So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover another amazing lab, that is Introduction to Controlled Generation with Gemini API. So first of all, click on Start Lab and open the Cloud Console incognito window. Now wait for the console to open. Meanwhile, you will be asked to just agree to term and conditions, like click on I understand. That just scroll here and click on agree and continue. Now here basically we have to open the Vertex AI workbench. So as you can see here is the Vertex AI, and just below the notebooks workbench. Click on it and wait for the page to fully load. Meanwhile, if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. So now click on Open Jupyter Lab. Just click over here. You need to open this file. So just open this file, and if it asks for kernel, just select Python 3 as kernel. And first of all, you need to update the project ID and region. So for project ID, you can just check the lab palette and scroll down a bit. So as you can see, kernel is still collecting, basically connecting. So here are the steps, and here is the project ID and region. So just replace carefully. And now it's time for region. Basically the location is the same as region. That means we both mean same. So no need to worry about it. Just replace carefully. And from here what you need to do, you have to just run the first shell one by one, and after that we will restart the kernel and run combined shell. So let me show you how we'll do. First of all, run this shell, and now we have to just restart the kernel. So just click on this and a pop-up will come that kernel has died and restarting. So just click on OK, and as you can see the kernel is busy. Wait for the kernel to get idle. So how will you know the kernel is idle? You will see the circle is not filled. As you can see, it's showing status as idle. So now we can run the next step. So what you can do here, click over here, just click on run selected cells and all below. So now this will take some time. Wait for some time until you see the kernel is now idle. Then we'll move forward to the lab instructions and hit check my progress. So it completed instantly, so no need to worry about it. Now let's move to the lab instructions and hit check my progress. Now what you can do, you have three methods. You can just use this check my progress bar, or just go by each task and hit check my progress, or you can just reload the browser and keep hitting check my progress. So it will be better if you go task by task, because it is the fast and easiest method. So in case you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe it and like the video. Thank you guys. Do check the playlist for the skill badges and labs, also the description too.